Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Gaikwad. I am graduate in BCA, MGM College of CS and IT Nanded. Today my topic name is checked exception and unchecked exception. We will provide some code sample how to them the checked exception. In general, the checked exception represent the error outside the control of the program. For example, the constructor of a fill name string through file not found exception if the input file does not exist. Java verify the checked exception and the unchecked exception. If you program through an unchecked exception, it reflects some error inside the program. For example, if we divide a number by 0, Java will throw arithmetic exception, and Java does not verify unchecked exception at a compile time. Furthermore, we don't have to declare unchecked exception in a method with through keyword, and although the above code does not have any error during compile time, it will throw arithmetic exception at runtime. Some common unchecked exception in Java are null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, and illegal arguments exception. The runtime exception class is the superclass of all unchecked exception. So we can create a customer unchecked exception by extend runtime exception. When to use checked exception and unchecked exception? It's good practice to use exception in Java so that we can separate error handling code from irregular code. However, we need to decide which type of exception to throw the oracle. Java documentation provide the guidance on when to use unchecked exception and checked exception. If your client can reasonable be expected to recover from an exception, make it a checked exception. If your client cannot be anything to recover from the exception, make it can unchecked exception, and it is code from irregular code. However, we need to decide the exception. Thank you.